everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout today. And this one's a 2-page layout from my granddaughter's birthday last year, which was in March. So it's about time I get these photos scrapbooked because she's got another one coming up pretty quickly. So I'm starting out here with the Bella Boulevard Birthday Bash collection. And that's where that, like the little confetti paper is from. That's the Birthday Bash Borders paper. And then the aqua dot paper is from Birthday Bash as well, and it's Here for the Cake paper, which basically that's awesome because this cake was amazing. She loves Candyland, still loves Candyland, and so does my 4-year-old grandson. They play it a lot. And so she asked for a Candyland cake, and the person who did this cake did just an amazing job. It looks so much like the game board, and she really pulled lots of elements of the game board out. It was just fantastic. And then, you know, they did cute things like they made a crown that looks like a crown from the game board for her. And just, it was a really darling themed birthday party. So you'll see, there we go. And then I'll just get the photos arranged here. That photo on the bottom right is her at the end of the day. She was so tired. She just fell asleep like that, standing up on the couch, which, I mean, how darling. So I had to get that one in. By the way, and I didn't show you this, but there were a lot of photos from this particular layout. And what I did with the rest of them is I used a photo sleeve that you can buy at Hobby Lobby. And it's a 6-up. So it's 6 portrait photos. And then if you flip it, there's another 6. So there's 12 more photos in this. I didn't embellish them or anything. I'll just have to try to remember when I do a 2-page layout at some point in the nearish future to kind of show you what those look like. I use them all the time. So really, on this layout, you're seeing 9 photos here, but there's another 12 that will sit. And then I sift those photo sleeves right in the middle of the layout. So there'll be 21 photos on 3 pages here. And sometimes I embellish those photo sleeves. A lot of times I don't. Just to kind of give you an idea of how I handle where I have something like this with a lot of birthday photos. Or a lot of photos from any event, really. All right, so now I'm going into the die cuts. And I've got the Celebrate there. And then I found this Happy and Birthday. They're really separate titles from this Bella Boulevard Birthday Bash Ephemera Words pack, but I really liked them together. I like the script font and like the multicolored Happy. And then I have Celebrate up there. There's a lot of words on this layout right now, though, so I am going to change that. There is that heart that also came from the Ephemera Words that says Happy Birthday as well. So I'm kind of looking now. I brought my other die cut pack out from from Birthday Bash, and that's the ephemera icon. So that's more like cakes and balloons and that kind of stuff without words around them. Speaking of balloons, there's some balloons right there, and there's a cake. So I want to embellish here. I kind of have, you know, a trio, 3 different spots of embellishment to sort of lead your eye through the layout here, which I just do naturally. I don't even think about it. It often happens. Happy Birthday is going to be the title. Exciting, I know. But, you know, you scrap birthday layouts every year, so I'm not worrying about coming up with something amazing for a title. And then I just found that little, I don't even know what to call that little piece that I put to the left of the Happy Birthday. It's not really fringe, but I thought that was really super cute. So I'm trying to find something to put with that cake. I want something else. I'm kind of looking at the back of stickers just to see if I can find a sticker I like, and I wasn't finding that. And then there's a 12x12 sticker sheet that comes with this. Didn't really find anything I love there. And then I went to the chipboard. So that chipboard is the Birthday Bash Chow Chip icons. And I found 2 pinwheels on that I liked. And then as I looked at that one pinwheel, I decided to go with something that was a little bit more blue because that blue on the bottom right was really standing out. Blends a little up into that top paper, but I'm okay with that. I just like the idea that there's a little more blue here. was thinking multicolor at first because the title is multicolor and so is that cake on the bottom right, but I think it's fine. It's doing what it needs to do, which is embellish and sort of quietly embellish. Call your attention. I mean, she's so cute there standing in that picture below that heart with her little crown on. So this is actually really a fairly quick layout, you know, considering that I have 21 photos. Just not on this page. And there are ways you can do, like you can buy pieces that you can, like pockets that you can add to layouts and that kind of stuff to add more photos. I just didn't do that with these. You can also buy pockets you can put in the middle that are 6x12. So you can do like an extra sort of layout in a 6x12, or you can do a 6x12 pocket that's divided in 3, so you can put in landscape photos. And by the way, Hobby Lobby does carry 6-ups in landscape as well. It's just most of the time I'm finding that the photos are portrait because that's the way we hold our phones. So then I'm adding in these labels from Ellie's Studio here. And that's just so I have a little bit of space to journal on. That's what I wanted. Like just the date and a little note that it's her 5th birthday party. Although I think you'd get that anyway because, you know, it says it on the cake and that kind of stuff. All right, there is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.